So I'm here in Oak Tree, which is in North Edmond, at this house built by Cooper Homes, and I'm going to show you a tour of this house, just under 900,000. So when you come in, you've got this foyer with really pretty beams at the top of the ceiling. You come in, and to your right is this built-in storage, which is really nice and looks really classy. You've got a bedroom up here in the front, which, because it's in the front, I think would make and kind of double as a really good office, but it's got a really good sized closet. And then also has a bathroom really close to it. So, you know, a good guest space or a kid's room or an office. I really like those light fixtures. I think they're really cute and funky. And then also this tile in here, it looks really, really nice. And then when we come out here, we're gonna come into the living area, and you can see that you've got a really nice open living area with big sliding doors in the back, and then looking into this kitchen. So we're gonna actually come this way, and you have what could either be like a formal dining room or another little living room, but a nice little space. You could also make it an office. Really just a good open space, very versatile with really pretty cathedral ceilings. And then a little built-in closet here. So then we come out here, and we've got a look into the kitchen. And there's some stuff out because of the parade of homes is currently going on, but you've got a huge fridge, really pretty cabinets. And as we kind of come in here, I like how they did this open shelving down here on the bottom. It gives it really, you know, just some cute design opportunities. And then I want to show you the sink because I really like this hardware here. And really pretty cabinets on this side. And then the stove and oven range is awesome. And then the backsplash goes all the way up, making it look really classy and fancy. And then we come in here to a butler's pantry that actually loops around. And so back here is kind of like the more established dining space. And then we're there with the kitchen again. So if we come out of here, you got the garage in there. You got this little built-in here, which is really cute. You've got a little drop zone, and then you've got your laundry room. I like how they did the floors that kind of make it look like a more like classy, but more established laundry room, kind of hidden back behind the built-ins. You've got a sink. You've got tons of space in here to store stuff. And then back here, you also have another bedroom. So right here, another bedroom. The bedrooms are all really separated, which I think could be really good for a lot of people, just depending on their situations, if they have kids, if they have guests, and just kind of what they want to make the rooms. And this one also has a bathroom attached to it. So we've got this bathroom. I love this square mosaic tile. This is like one of my favorite tiles right now. And walk back out, you got a nice vanity and cute little light fixtures. And then when we come out here, we're gonna go across and look at the master suite. So we're coming back through the living space, taking a peek out here. And Oak Tree is on a golf course, so this house is within the Oak Tree community or neighborhood. And so here we have the master with big windows in the back, really pretty light fixture and beams at the top. The staging in this home is done really well. I think it's really pretty, makes it look really nice. And then this bathroom is maybe one of my favorite bathrooms I've seen. I think how spacious it is, I don't know if you can tell, but that is a lot of space right there. You've got two separate sinks, but also kind of a really modern look to them. You've got this huge closet with tons of racks, tons of space for dresses. You've got this built-in dresser. You've got a place to put on your shoes, built-in little shoe things there. And then this looks like a mall. And then you have the mirror here to, you know, see what you look like. And then you come out here back into your bathroom. So you've got the vanities. You've got this tub, which is beautiful. And then you've got this walk-in shower this way. Again, they put the faucet here, which I love when they do that. And then you've got this shower. And then you have a little toilet room right there. Some more built-in storage. I love this color. It's kind of like a grage maybe, but it goes really well with the gold accents. And so here we go. Kind of one more look at this bathroom. And then when you come out here again to the bedroom, and then I love the arches in this house too. It really adds to kind of that like French countryside look, but you've got arches going into all those spaces. And then this arch right here, I didn't even really point it out, but it's got the wood with inside of it. So it just really makes it look distinguished and looks really, really nice. So yeah, here's this house. Like I said, it's an Oak Tree, which is a country club community, and it is just under 900,000, over 3,000 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms plus, you know, all these extra little spaces. If you're thinking about moving or you really like this house and want to see if it's still available, then definitely reach out to me and I would love to be able to connect with you. And thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.